If you love crab rangoons, you're gonna wanna try my crab rangoon dip. All right, y'all, for the month of August, I'm sharing my favorite easy and delicious tailgate recipes. So today, I've got my crab rangoon dip. So I've got a pound of imitation crab meat. I'm just gonna take my fingers and just break these up. Alrighty, we've got all of that nice and shredded up. Add 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream. So if you're only gonna use 8 ounces of crab meat, just do 1 block of cream cheese. I'm doing a whole pound, so I'm doubling up everything else. Got this Italian style shredded cheese. This is about a cup. Some quesadilla melting cheese, or you could use mozzarella. All right, and then just add some green onion to the mixture, and we're gonna save some for the top as well. That much. About a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. A bit of black pepper, some garlic powder, a bit of salt, cooked paprika, and a dash of sweet chili sauce. And you're just gonna mix this up. You can use your hands. I'm gonna use my standing mixer. This is what it looks like. Yummy. Grab you a baking dish. You're just gonna pour all this in here. I forgot to say, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. All right, and just spread this out. Top with a little bit more cheese. I'm doing this quesadilla melting cheese. It's my favorite. You could definitely shred mozzarella. Just use whatever you prefer. Oh, this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna put this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. And I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, this cooked for about 30 minutes on 350 degrees and it's ready. Grab you some sweet chili sauce. We're gonna pour it right on top to give it that authentic crab rangoon flavor. That looks beautiful. Like I said, we're gonna add some green onion to the top. All right, let's dig in. All right, I got these pita chips. Normally I would dip this, but it's so deep down in here. I mean, look at this. Hell yeah. That is freaking unreal. The crab, the sweet chili sauce, the green onions, the cheese. Y'all gotta make this one.